Hello everyone, I'm Tarek. I'm a senior at George Washington University. I'm majoring in biomedical engineering with minors in biology, chemistry, and math. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite hobbies, which is travel. I've traveled to almost 32 different countries around this world. Some in Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, Asia, and it's always nice to travel because you experience so many things. The reason why I like to travel is for either to do volunteer work or to go see different natures around this world or to learn different cultures. For example, for volunteer work, I traveled to Madagascar in Africa to help people open up new schools and bring joy to the faces of the children who weren't able to learn but are now able to actually go to school and learn. And it brings joy to yourself that you're able to help people. And second of all, nature. I'm a person that loves nature. I went to the highest peak and it was an absolutely best experience of my life. I like to go to forests, see all these animals, see all these different trees that surround this world. It's an absolutely amazing experience. Third of all, traveling for to see all these different cultures around you. Like for example, in Europe, it's all you can drive all of Europe through a car, which is something really cool. But in each country you visit, they have different traditions. For example, food, the way they speak, but it's just so nice because of the amount of history Europe holds. And that is something I also like, history. Like it's so nice that you read all about history in books, watch movies, and then when you go to like places in Europe and you see that right in front of you is just something really cool to have. Traveling really shaped up my life. It made me an adult. It it opened my mind to new things that I wasn't accustomed in doing. And I always encourage people to travel. There's so many ways that people can help you to go achieve your dream in traveling, which is something really cool. And as you can see in these pictures, all these different places that I traveled to, and you can see how each place is different from the other, which is something that will always blow my mind. And I would never stop traveling, and I will always encourage people to travel. Thank you so much for listening to me.